This video is about equilibrium. The following question gives us the equation of the Haber process. The question then is asking us to explain the condition of temperature and pressure to get the greatest yield of ammonia, which is the products. So here's the question, and I've highlighted the key terms for you. We will once again refer back to the concept of the Chatellier's principle. So let's look at two conditions mentioned in the question: pressure and temperature. Remember that when we deal with pressure, the first thing we need to do is to look at the number of gas molecules on each side. Increasing the pressure will shift equilibrium to the side with less gas molecules, and decreasing the pressure will shift equilibrium to the side with more gas molecules. So let's look at the equation here. There are 4 gas molecules on the reactant side. Remember, you're only looking at the coefficient. And 2 gas molecules on the product side. So it looks like we have to increase pressure so that the equilibrium will shift to the right, the side with less gas molecules, because you want to yield more products. So higher pressure. Next, let's look at temperature. We have to first see if this reaction is endothermic or exothermic. So delta H here, I've circled it for you, is negative, which means it is an exothermic reaction. So we have learned from the previous video that if the reaction is exothermic, you treat delta H as if it is a product. So when you increase temperature, you're actually shifting equilibrium towards the left, towards the reactant side. Therefore, in this case, we need to decrease temperature to increase the yield of products. So essentially, your answer could look something like this. In order to obtain the highest yield of products, the reaction needs to happen in high pressure and at lower temperatures. However, in your exam papers, there will often be questions that ask why the Haber process would be at higher temperatures. It is usually because they want to increase the rate of reaction. Remember from Unit 6, higher temperatures means faster rate of reaction. So you can add this portion to your answer. So your overall answer would look something like this.